What's up? Andy T here with ShutterReleaseWorld.com, and today we're unraveling the mystery of shutter count. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this is something you need to know. Ever wondered how many photos your camera can take before it's time to upgrade? You're not alone. So how much is too much? Well, let's find out. First off, what exactly is shutter count? Think of shutter count like a car's mileage. Just like high mileage can tell you a lot about a car's condition, shutter count reveals much about your camera's life. Most digital cameras boast a lifespan of about 200,000 exposures. But when does this number start ringing alarm bells? Let's find out. Each camera is a marathon runner with its own finish line. You peek at your camera's shutter count through its menu or by using a nifty app. Knowing this figure is like having a window into your camera's health. So what's the magic number? Entry-level cameras typically endure up to 100,000 clicks, while their mid and high-end siblings can go all the way up to 300,000. But it's not just about the numbers. If I were in the market for a used camera, my cutoff would be around 100,000. Yet, the true testament of a camera's stamina lies in how you use and look after it. Exceeding this shutter count can lead to performance issues. You might start noticing dark or blurry images, or in some cases, the camera might not display the image at all. It's a sign that your camera needs attention. Worried about hitting the limit too soon? Regular servicing can make a huge difference. Avoid extreme temperatures as they stress your camera. These simple steps can significantly extend your camera's life. Understanding and managing your camera's shutter count is key to its longevity. Regular maintenance and mindful usage go a long way. Remember, it's not just about the numbers. It's about how you care for your gear. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.